There's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric. I wanted to show this thing off. You won't see too many of these on the road. It's a Kenworth Cabover, and it is beautiful. They don't make them like this anymore. I'm gonna guess this is a two-stroke diesel, but I'm just guessing because this is not my specialty. I certainly can appreciate a vehicle like this, but I don't know a whole lot about them. Does have a sleeper, and is definitely running. Gorgeous. If I didn't think I'd get shot, I'd hop up in there, but we'll walk around it one more. And it's got antique tags on it, which I think is awesome. Because if you're gonna roll, you might as well roll. I don't know if it'll show up in this, but right there and there, you can kind of see the air conditioning. 2 fans. That's the AC for these old girls. Air horn up on top. Of course, you got your dual CB antennas on the sides. Man, ain't it beautiful. Dual tanks. You see that chrome up there? That's a vent. Both sides have those. Step ups. Just a beautiful piece of trucking history right here. You know, you don't have to be a fan of any particular type of automobile in order to really respect something that's vintage. Obviously, whoever owns this thing loves it. And to keep up with something like this probably costs a good amount of money. And I'll bet you can still hook a trailer to it and go, so that's awesome. I don't see a placard, so I couldn't tell you what type it is or what year model, but maybe somebody out there in the comments section that knows more about these than I do could fill me in on all the goodness. What I do remember about these things is the handles there and there. You pull this whole cab forward and that exposes your engine and transmission on these, which is an interesting design that they just got away from at some point in the late 80s, I think, mid 80s. Anyway, it's a short video, but I had to share that with you. Take care.